Hey there, it is me again. Welcome back to Vlogtober. And I am waiting outside a parking garage so that I can park. The thing about Spot Hero is, and if you don't know, Spot Hero is an app you can use to find parking if you're worried about it. And so I already reserved this parking for $12, which is great, fine. But now I have to wait until it's ready for me, and it's 1 minute. So I have to wait here for 1 minute. The parking garage is like right there. Right there. So I'm waiting for a minute, and then I can go in and do my reservation. So I don't want to like hold up anyone else in the line. But this is just like the weirdest. I was driving around for like 7 minutes, and driving around here is not fun. Like it's not, I mean, city driving, but like in a weird area of Boston, like that way is like the waterfront, and that way is some other stuff. It's not good. Anyway, I'm gonna go park, and then we're gonna go to the Artist for Humanity. We're gonna go to rehearsal. We're gonna have some fun. All right, let's park. Hopefully this opens. It's gonna open.
Ta-da!
It might be in my vlog. Your hand might be in my vlog.
Fabulous.
Nice. Look at this. Ooh. Whoa, dude. This is a cool place. Wow. Look up here. Oh, there's like cool stuff. Wow. You always gotta have your hand sanitizer available, you know? Okay. So, here's about the space. And here's some people warming up. And a lot of people are taking pictures of the space. Let's look around a little more. This is cool. smelling all of my bags. He's like, you had snacks in there. Because I had some popcorn in this little bag, which I ate during the break. And I think he smells that. It's not for you. I didn't bring you any treats. I didn't bring you any treats. You want to look in there though? You can look in there. So it's late night. It's like 10:23 and I'm just getting home. My husband is preparing some dinner, and so we're gonna eat late and I'll probably stay up a little later too. But I hope you enjoyed the little behind the scenes view into our rehearsal. Sorry I couldn't show you more. There are like some union rules about how much I can show. I can show like a little bit, but I can't show a lot of like the instrumentalists playing. And I also don't want to spoil the concert. So we're very excited about like the first concert of the season. This is our debut with our brand new music director, Noah Horn, and we've been having a lot of fun with him. His wife is also a composer and conductor, and I think a friend of my friend. I haven't really officially met her yet, but the piece that she wrote that we're singing is fabulous, and it's the one I have a solo in that I forgot to come in at rehearsal, but I've been singing ever since then. And we're also singing a really cool piece called Oceana, and the composers were like four of the pieces that we're performing tonight were there tonight to give us some feedback and basically tell us, you know, we're doing good or like we can make some improvements. And it was really enjoyable. Oceana is a really cool piece. I will actually link it down below if you want to listen to it. It's very, very cool. And the program's really challenging, and the space is kind of really cool to sing in. So I did talk to the executive director, and I will give you guys a very exclusive discount if you want to check out the concert. The concert will be recorded, and you get access to the recording of that concert. The recordings are very good. They're very high quality. Or if you want to subscribe and get the concerts like for the entire season, that is also something that you can get. I don't know how much the discount is. I will find out tomorrow, and I will post that down in the description so that y'all can enjoy cantata singers if you want. I love cantata singers. I've been having a lot of fun just getting back into singing with friends again. Last year I had a lot of fun when we were doing our music director search, working with a lot of different music directors, but also being back with my friends again after the pandemic had sort of ruined that. And I was just, tonight I had that whole feeling where I was just happy to be there. And I feel that way a lot at dress rehearsals when like everyone's together, when there's the orchestra and the soloists and the chorus, everybody's there together and we're all just getting ready, and it's the anticipation and it's very electric and you can feel it. It's always at those moments where I feel so incredibly blessed and just happy to be there. And I try to hold on to some of those feelings when I'm, you know, having a bad day or if I'm like really stressed. I try to hold on to the fact that I get to do some really cool stuff, like really cool stuff. So I'm gonna go, and I'll see y'all tomorrow, maybe. We'll see how much I can pull together. All right, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.